Yes, Kedar and Bhavya. Multiplication word problems clear. What is multiplication clear to both of you? Yes, Ali. Kedar. Kedar. Okay. So now let's see in the textbook what is given. Okay. Multiplication. So what is multiplication? Multiplying a given number by 3-digit number. So in this we are going to see how to multiply 3-digit number. Take out your notebook and do it accordingly. Okay. Now what is given here? 754. There are 754 students in a school. If one child uniform cost is 368. Just now we have seen the small numbers example. Okay. If these many students are given and one cost is given, so what will be the total students uniform cost? What it will be? So what we are going to multiply? The total number of student and cost of one uniform. So this way we are going to multiply. So can you see there 754 into 368? So what is given here? Can you see the corresponding one? We have to see the now see here. Both of you, Bhavya, can you see here first? First is we have to start from the end like one's unit. So this 8 will be multiplied first. Can you see Kedar here? Can you see the corresponding one? 8 first multiply to the all the numbers. Okay. So
Yes.
8 fours are 8 fours are. Come on.
So 32.
8 fours are 32. So 2 we are writing here and 3 we are carrying forward, right? Then 8 fives are
So 40.
40. Very good, dear. 8 fives are 40. 40 plus 3,
43.
43. What is left? 4. Then 4 will be carry forward. 8 sevens are
So 56.
56. 56 plus 4,
72. No, 62.
no. 56 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is what?
Hello. 60.
60. कोई हमें जल्दी नहीं है, कहीं पे भी हमें भाग के जाना नहीं है कि कुछ भी बोलो और निकल जाओ, राइट? Have patience, I am there for you. So first what we have to do, both of you look at the camera, look at the screen, do not distracted by anything. If three numbers are given, so first we have to take one's number and that we have to multiply the above number. So this is one part, like 8 is multiplied to all the numbers and here we got 6032. Okay, so what we have to do? Then the next number is which one? 6. Now you have to multiply this 6 with all the above number, right? So now what we have to do? Yes.
The first multiply 6 fours.
6 fours are. Ali is not replying. Ali, you don't know the table.
Just 6 fours are 24.
You know the table, right, dear? You also reply. Come on. So now 6 fours are. Both of you reply, no issue. 24, right? So 4 is here and the above what we are writing? 2. 6 fives are?
30.
30 plus 2?
32.
So 2 is here. And what will be carry forward?
3.
Okay. 6 sevens are
42.
42. 42 plus 3,
45.
45. Okay. Now listen, children. When we are doing multiplication, first you did 8 multiply to above number. So that we have written and we got the answer 6032, right? Then when we are multiplying 6 to above number, so what we have to do? We have to either put 0 and you can put the cross there, or afterwards you have to start multiplying. So next number what we got? 2, 5, 2, 4. So what the above one to below that we have to put a cross and then we have to 6 4s are 24, like that the another number we have to write. Clear? फिर जब तुम लोग थर्ड नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करने जाओगे, so first cross was there, then another cross you have to put. Clear हुआ?
Yes, teacher.
Now 3 5s are, sorry, 3 4s are 12, right? Here can you see 3 4s? I told you no, that last one when you are going to multiply, how many 0 you have to put? 2 0, because one was above only and afterwards you have to put 2 0.
तो क्रॉस डालेंगे.
हाँ, क्रॉस डालेंगे या 0 डालना है आपकी मर्जी. ओके
टीचर.
हाँ,
टीचर 2 क्रॉस डालेंगे.
yes 2 cross डालेंगे. And then the last one we will multiply the above number. 3 4s are 12, 1 is carry forward, 3 5s are 15 and 1 is 16, 3 7s are 21 and this one is 22. So can you see here? Can you see both of you? These numbers are written here 6032. Okay. फिर नीचे क्रॉस लगाओ या 0 लिखो. फिर आगे का नंबर क्या था? 4 5 2 4. ओके. फिर थर्ड वाला मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 1 क्रॉस 0 रहेगा या अनदर 0 रहेगा and then this. So and then what you have to do? Both of you, then you have to add the numbers. Can you see this 2 is straightforward 2, then 3 plus
Yes.
4 is 7, then 2 plus 2 is 4, 6 plus 5 is 11 and 11 plus 6 is 17, 1 carry forward and 4 plus 1 is 5 and 2 7 20. This is your answer. This is the way we are writing the answer. Now both of you take out your notebook and don't have to see the answers. Okay, chalo, I want both of you solve. देखो मैं एक पहले समझा देती हूँ. ओके, so that you will follow the same way of doing that sum, right? Now here 3 2 7 and 92. अभी जो भी सेकेंड 2 नंबर्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेंगे, 3 मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेंगे, द रूल विल बी द सेम, राइट? सो नाउ व्हाट शुड आई डू? ये लास्ट वाले नंबर को पहले फर्स्ट आई विल मल्टीप्लाई विथ ऑल दीज 3 नंबर्स. सो 7 2s are 14. 1 will be carry forward. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5.
5. 2 3s are 6.
So now I will be putting here cross, right? Then 9 7s are
63.
63. 3 here and 6 will be carry forward. Here 6 will be carry forward. So 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 6 Fast.
So
9 to 18 plus 6. Come on, fast.
कोण वरती मशीन फिरवायला आहे पंचायती आहे
9 to
Sir,
18. 18 plus 6 कितना होएगा?
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
I didn't hear you, Ali. What is 18 plus 6? Why you are taking so much time to answer me? Ali, I didn't hear you. What did you say?
Sir, 24.
24. Right. So 4 here and 2 will be carry forward over the 3. 9 threes are
9 3s 27.
27 plus 2.
29.
29
And now what we are going to do here? Addition. Right?
4 plus 3,
So 4.
8,
5
0,
plus
1,
3 is
1, 3.
8.
Sir,
6 plus 4
sir,
is.
3084.
What is your answer?
30084.
Very good. So now if here will be the another number, so what we will do, we will going to put here 2 cross and then we will multiplying with the 1 and all together we will add. Clear how to multiply?
Yes, teacher.
Come on, let's solve one sum and let me know. Come on fast. Both of you will solve question number 10 and the rest will be your homework. Kedar, you are not sending me homework. Ali is sending me homework. Once you will understand our app, no, our Smart India app, so I will be assigning the homework there only. But right now, whatever I am saying to do homework, वो आप अपने नोटबुक में सॉल्व करना है और बाद में मुझे व्हाट्सअप करना है. ओके? तो मुझे पता चलेगा कि किसको क्या समझा है तो मैं उसको क्लियर कर सकती हूँ. इफ इट इज रॉन्ग समवेयर आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. अभी अली ने मुझे फ्रैक्शन के सम सारे दिए, उसको लास्ट वाला एक मिस्टेक हुआ, दैट विल आई विल एक्सप्लेन आफ्टर द एंड ऑफ दिस सेशन. सो मैं उसको वो क्लियर करूंगी. सो केदार, आप भी ऐसे जो भी होमवर्क बताती हूँ वो सॉल्व करो और मुझे पिक्चर्स भेजो व्हाट्सएप पे. क्लियर? चलो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 सॉल्व. Do it and let me know the answer. Fast, both of you. And you have to show me on the screen. Have you written the question 6429 multiply 509? Shall I off the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Now show me. Bhavya. Bhavya, are you having the textbook with you?
मतलब तू अभी सो रही थी तो
बस गंदा Bhavya, what are you doing dear? Not responding, not attending the class properly. Bhavya.
अंदर फिर इसका कनेक्शन लॉस्ट होता है.
Okay, okay.
इसका मोबाइल का आवाज ही नहीं आ रही कान में. इसके लिए मैं निकाल रही नहीं हूँ, मेरे को निकालना है. निकाल.
Teacher, my finish.
Kedar.
टीचर मैं दिखाओ कैमरे में?
हाँ दिखाओ. Kedar also show me. दिखाओ. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. 9 fours are 36. So zeros are, you got all the zero, right? 5 nines are 45. 5 twos are 18. Okay. 5 fours are 20, 21. 5 six are 32. 1, 3, 3, 6, 2, 2, 6, 1. Kedar, what answer you got? Tell me your answer. Kedar, tell me your answer. Okay, Ali, good. Now, Kedar, it's your turn to show me. Show. Place your notebook in front of camera. Kedar, show me what answer you got. One minute, Kedar. I have to cross check. 6429. The question is this only. Ali, check the question. 64. Okay, ऊपर है. Ali, question is 6429509 is the question.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Kedar, you have mistaken in first line. Wait, let me explain this. Wait. Kedar, wait. देखो आपकी कहाँ गलती हुई है वो आपको चेक करना है. ओके केदार. Kedar, stop now.
Sure now.
Show. It's a wrong dear. Something. Wait, I'll show you. 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I'm. Wait, huh? Now, can you see the whiteboard? Yes. Can you see the whiteboard, Kedar? Ali?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now just see over here. What is the question? What is the question? Just tell me. Question bolo koi to.
The 6,400.
हाँ. Please.
29.
6 4
29.
2 9 into
29.
Ali, I can't hear you. I can only hear Kedar properly. So Kedar, tell me what is the multiplication?
509.
509.
9.
Chalo, both of you tell me answer. 9 9s are
81.
8. 1 year 8 will be carry forward. Okay. 9 2s are
18.
18 plus 8.
18.
Huh. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 8.
26.
6. Okay. 2 will be carry forward. 9 4s are 9 4s are
9. 32.
no, here you are mistaken. 9 4s are Ali.
36.
9 4s are 36 plus 2.
38.
30.
38.
So carry forward 3. 9 6 are
9 6 54.
54. 54 plus 3.
57.
54 plus 3 is 57.
7.
Then we will put cross here, right? Then zeros are 0 0 0 0. Then we will put 2 cross. Then 5 9s are
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही
आवाज नहीं आ रही? Okay, okay. Now 5 9s are Kedar, now you just check and then let me know कि आपने सही किया, rectify किया कि नहीं. Okay. Now 5 9s are 45. So 5 here and 4 will be carry over here. 5 2s are 10 plus 4.
14.
So 14 and 1 will be carry over here. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. And carry over here. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. And what we have to do now? We have to do addition. So 1, 6, 8, 5, 13. 8 4, 12. 6, 7, 2, 3. This answer you got, both of you?
Yes, teacher. 3 2 7 2 3 6 1.
Ali,
यस टीचर
कल मैं दोनों को पहले ना टेबल पूछने वाली हूँ और मेरे को एकदम टेबल कैसे फास्ट चाहिए. Okay, both of you. Is it clear? Now this way you have to solve the exercise. Only that 10 question for multiplication. Okay. So next class, if I'll see you have done your homework correctly, then only I will start your division. Otherwise, we will again do the multiplication. Kedar, you have to solve the sum and you have to WhatsApp me your homework. Clear, both of you?
What is homework?
I told you no, in the exercise, there are 10 questions, right? And we have solved only one questions related to the multiplication. So that other rest questions that you have, yes?
Problem set 14.
पूरा नहीं करना है, सिर्फ जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन का 10 क्वेश्चन दिया है ना मैंने, सिर्फ उतना ही करना है. Okay, so now this clear how to do multiplication, whether it is in a word problem or in the numbers, both of you?
Just see which one.
हाँ, show me.
Just this one. This one.
No dear, only the upper one. Question number 1, which is given just to multiply. ठीक है? In multiply, 10 questions are there. You
Yeah,
don't-
there are 12 questions.
Okay dear, there are 12. So that 12 you have to do homework. Fine.